Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 8 to the power of x equals 2, and we want to find the value of x. So if you notice, 8 is actually much greater than 2. And even if we set x as something as small as 1, this would still equal 8, which is still greater than 2. Meaning that x is a decimal or a fraction. So whenever we're solving problems such as this one, we always want to make the bases the same so then we could set the exponents equal each other and solve. So right here, 8 and 2, well, we want to convert one of these two bases to make them equal to the other one. Well, 2 is already pretty small, so we can't convert it into anything else, but 8 is actually equal to 2 to the power of 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace 2 to the power of 3 with 8. And so we have 2 to the power of 3 to the power of x equals 2. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is actually equal to a to the power of m times n. So 2 to the power of 3 to the power of x, we would just multiply these two exponents because 3 in this case is m and x is n. So this would be 2 to the power of 3 times x. And this equals 2. Now 2 is the same thing as 2 to the power of 1. And now, as you can see, both of these bases are the same. So because the bases are the same, the exponents are the same as well. So now we could just say that 3 times x is 3x equals 1. And now, as you can see, we have a simple equation to solve for x. So I'm going to divide by 3 on both sides. These two cancel out, and we are left with x equals 1/3. And this is our answer. And if I plug this in, for x, 8 to the power of 1 over 3 equals 2. Well, 8 to the power of 1 over 3 is the same thing as the cube root of 8. And the cube root of 8 is 2, because 2 to the power of 3 equals 8. So this is right. Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this problem without a calculator. So we have 5,000 squared minus 4,999 squared. And remember, we don't want to use a calculator. Well, what we're going to use is we're going to be using an important property of algebra. And that property is if a squared minus b squared, if we have a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a minus b times a plus b. So whenever we have something like a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a minus b times a plus b. And if we do end up multiplying these two, this would equal this. So now what we're simply going to do is we're going to plug in these two values for a and b. Well, 5,000 is a, right? 5,000 is a, and 4,999 is b. So this is b. So now all we're going to do is we're going to plug in our values of a and b into our formula here. So A minus B, meaning 5,000 minus 499, this times 5,000 plus 4,999. Well, 5,000 minus 4,999. Well, 4,999 plus 1 is 5,000. So this is just 1 times 5,000 plus 4,999. Well, if we have 5,000 and we are adding this with 4,999, 0 plus 9 is 9, 0 plus 9 is 9, 0 plus 9 is 9, and 5 plus 4 is 9. So we get 9, 9, 9, 9. So we're multiplying 1 with 9, 9, 9, 9, and 1 times 9,909 is simply just 9,999. So this is our answer.